Hi, this is A1 Auto. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix floor jack. To open this, we need to open the both sides. It's 26 millimeter. This one as well. Let's take this off. It's still tight. It's off. Now we can take easily this one off. Right there. See, a lot of oil is all over. The cylinder is leaking. This is the oil right there. See, a lot of oil. After that, you can take this out easily. Right here, the cylinder is coming out. There we go. Right there. It's a spring. The reason is not working because see the cylinder. This one have a two O-ring. This one and that one. The O-ring, like this one, is when we push, try to like pull it up the vehicle. So this one is go up and down, up and down, up and down in the cylinder. So right there's a O-ring. Is is when you use long, it's a little bit less go down. It's flat now. So this one have a little bit like access to get into the air. So when its air is get into the cylinder, this thing is not working anymore. Doesn't work anymore. So we need to change O-ring. Like this two O-ring, I'm gonna change it. Then put it back. So both of them. That one as well. It's the same thing. Just pull it out like this. It will come out. See, this is the same thing. This is a little better shape. This one is totally flat. So just I'm gonna clean this. I'm gonna clean all this thing and put some more hydraulic fluid inside. So just fill it up. Give it a good clean. This one I used for maybe 5 years. So rusty. See, after I cleaning like this, is I try my best. I mean, it's clean. Look clean. Make sure it's good clean this piston, because this is the main thing. The piston is go up and down inside the cylinder. So I change the O-ring. This is the O-ring you can change easily. Just let me show you. When you put it in, try to put some. This is WD-40. Try to put some WD-40 in here. So make sure it's good lubricant. Then put the O-ring inside. After I clean all these things, this one also right there. Put some WD-40 right here all over, and see this it is dirty. I'm gonna change this fluid too. You wait. Let's go inside. See, and stick little by little. After that, you can change, take from the other one too, right here. So change here. If you have this kind of funnel, it's more easier. It's go more deeper. Take all this fluid out. See. Empty almost. That one is empty too. The both are empty. We have a air pressure, just put little pressure, is all the dust and debris coming out if there is any. The way you put it in the oil, just put the neem fluid, inside the funnel, and just put it inside little by little till it's got fill it up. It's not really much fluid inside, it's a little bit fluid. Jack a little bit. I can put a little more, I think. This all. After that, this one is I put some I think I can put more oil inside. See, this is a lot more oil it's gonna take now. More you put the oil, jack will get more pressure. Just put some, just put like wood or something, make it higher, like attached to the wall or something. Is not gonna go. You have something support or there, or you can use another jack, just lift it up. You can do that too. After that, just show you that it's more easier. Put the spring first. The spring will go first, and then this piston will go after spring. here. That should be good. So there's a cap right there, and then the small piston. No, I'm sorry, it's spring first. Make sure to put the spring first, then piston. Leave it straight, just push it until it's going inside. Yes, easy go, see, it's going easily. This one is good. Put the cap back. After that, just put this. When you put it in the handle, this is only top part. Put it in the handle. To do that, this has to be pressed. So I'm gonna do like I want a zip tie right here. I'm gonna put the zip tie right there. See. Just need to push a little bit. Just push it and tie it up. This I put one tie, just squeeze the spring right here, so you can remove this easily. Make sure this one is all the way free, make it down. There's a hole here. This is the hole. This is the roller. This two roller is sitting on both of the two piston. So there's one hole. This one is going inside the hole like this. And just push a little hard. Just wiggle like this. There you go. And you put in one. There's both of them. Let's go. See, I tied it up. This ball and that ball. After that, you take the tie off. Take the tie off. Use one of the things. Push the spring down, and then cut it off. Just cut it off with the knife. See, after I fix this jack, really going up and down. This smoothly coming out. And coming down as well. See, that's how you fix your whole floor jack. Thank you for watching, guys. That's how you fix it. Thank you very much.